Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to dive into the world of anemometers with three fantastic models, the W410, WR3B, and WL12D. Our focus today is on the WR3B. Let's unbox this. Inside, you'll find a manual for the display unit. Next, we have the sensor user manual. Now, let's look at the WR3B main unit. It's handheld, shock-resistant, has long battery life, and an illuminated LCD for day and night visibility. The WR3B sensor is impressive with stainless steel bearings and a long-lasting replaceable battery, perfect for any installation. Let's get our WR3B ready for action. First, we'll remove the battery cover, insert the batteries, and then close the cover. It's that simple. With the batteries in place, we can now turn on the WR3B. The device powers up quickly and is ready to use. Once the WR3B is on, it will display the sensor number. Each sensor has a unique address, allowing multiple anemometers to operate in close proximity without interference. The WR3B allows you to monitor various parameters, including current wind speed, maximum wind speed, average wind speed, and more. You can also choose from different units like knots, meters per second, kilometers per hour, and miles per hour to suit your preference. Additionally, it provides temperature readings and wind chill, giving you comprehensive environmental data. This device's ability to deliver accurate and detailed information makes it an essential tool for anyone who needs precise wind and temperature measurements. Its robust design and easy-to-read display ensure that you can rely on it in various environments and weather conditions. With the WR3B, you can make informed decisions based on real-time data, enhancing safety and efficiency in both professional and recreational settings. Finally, let's see the WR3B in action. As we rotate the sensor by hand, you'll notice the readings on the display update in real time, giving you instant feedback on wind speed. For more information and to get your own, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings.